Hi guys, it's me, Christian from the church. I hope you guys are having a great day. And as we continue going forward, we're going to be going over Acts of the Apostles. And that's because it's a first century church, so that's the year after Jesus died and how the message of Jesus came to be around the world. And so this story is going to be taking place in Acts chapter 3, verses 1 through 10. And it's about Peter and John healing a lame man. And the story is Peter and John went to the temple one afternoon to take part in the 3 o'clock prayer service. As they approached the temple, a man lame from birth was being carried in. Each day he was put beside the temple gate, the one called the Beautiful Gate, so he could beg from the people going into the temple. When he saw Peter and John about to enter, he asked them for some money. Peter and John looked at him intently, and Peter said, "Look at us." The lame man looked at them eagerly, expecting some money. But Peter said, "I do not have any silver or gold for you, but I'll give you what I have. In the name of Jesus the Nazarene, get up and walk." Then Peter took the lame man by the right hand and helped him up. And as he did, the man's feet and ankles were instantly healed and strengthened. And he jumped up, stood on his feet, and began to walk. Then walking and leaping and praising God, he went into the temple with them. All the people saw him walking and heard him praising God. When they realized he was a lame beggar they had seen so often at the Beautiful Gate, they were absolutely astonished. And that's our story for this week. I look forward to seeing you guys soon and hopefully be praying that the virus ends soon so we can meet in person. Bye-bye.